Hi, this is Danny Clark with Collectors Firearms. This is my assistant Josh, and today we are showing off a Persian artillery Luger. So the Persian Lugers are pretty rare. There was only 2,000 in the contract, and the Persian, or I guess Iranian government now, has never sold any of these Lugers. So the ones that made it out accidentally. So how many are actually out are very, very few. This is one of maybe 2 or 3 in my 25 years here at Collectors that we have owned. Very easy to tell a Persian Luger, as you have the toggle, and on the side here it's all in Farsi. This is the artillery Luger with the long barrel. 1,000 were done in this contract, and then 1,000 were done in the regular length barrel. So these were sold to the Persian government. They served their purpose, and then were put in storage, and God knows where they are today.
So if you're a Luger collector, this is a rare piece to have.
Very rare piece, yes.
A must-have, it sounds like.
There's a lot of variations in Lugers, so it kind of depends on where your Luger collection is going, but certainly a very desirable piece.
Awesome. Thank you for showing that to us.
If you like this video, please like us and subscribe.